The Good News by John, 5 parts and 50 events of eyewitness testimony. Jesus appears after his death. So Sunday morning, the women visit the tomb, which is empty. Glory to God. Mary talks to Jesus and then tells the disciples. Jesus appears to the disciples that evening. Then Jesus appears again and talks to Thomas a week later, who doubted. Then Jesus appeared more and did many signs. I love that chapter 20, where it just, hey, this is what he did. He appeared. Proof, 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 proof. Then Jesus appears to the disciples while going fishing to make breakfast and talk with Peter. So I love it. He appears to them and makes breakfast. Then the author gives his reason for having this entire book, where he says, the author's closing thoughts, I saw it all. Verses 24 and 25 of chapter 21. So the whole point behind this entire thing, this entire book, is to prove to you that he saw it all and that Jesus is who he says he is.